Hello viewers, one of the users wants to know that he is getting Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE at a price point of 33,000 rupees. So should he buy or should he wait for another sale? If you want to know the best price of Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE, that is only 19,000 to 20,000 rupees. So there is no point buying Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE at this price point. Rather, you should wait for another sale, maybe Christmas sale or Republic Day sale. Another user wants to buy Lenovo Idea Tab Pro. So he wants to know whether this tablet will go under 25,000 rupees or not during sale. The answer is yes. You will definitely get discount on this tablet if you wait for the right offers. I will let you know about the best offers, and if you want to know about the best offers, you have to subscribe the channel so that you don't miss any video whenever I upload any video. Another user wants to buy a tablet, so he asked me which upcoming tablet should he buy, but he did not mention any preference like pricing or any brand or any specification, so it is very difficult for me to suggest you any tablet right now. Another user wants to know whether Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 or Samsung Galaxy S10 FE, which is better. If you want better hardware, in that case Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 will be better, but if you want Samsung AI, in that case you have to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE. The best price of Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 is 33,000, whereas the best price for Tab S10 FE is around 29,000, maximum 30,000 rupees during sale. Next, if you are planning to buy iPad 11th generation 128GB variant, in that case the best price is 28,000 to 29,000 rupees during sale. So you have to wait till Republic Day sale that will occur next year on 26th of January 2026. If you are planning to buy Oneplus Pad Lite, in that case the best price for the 6GB and 128GB variant is 11 to maximum 12,000 rupees, and for the 8GB variant the maximum price that you can pay is 14,000 rupees. In the upcoming months, many tablets will be launched, so wait for those tablets also. For example, OnePlus Pad Go 2 will be launched, and also many Samsung tablets will be launched, so wait for those launches also. So these are some of the questions that people have asked me, and I tried my level best to answer those questions. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you still have any questions in your mind, you can ask me. I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.